Hey there, so it looks like you are thinking about selling your home and you're looking for some information about how to get the most money out of your home. My name is Reid Schwartz. I'm a real estate broker with eXp Realty, and I want to share with you my 4-step strategy to get your home sold for the most amount of money. The first thing we want to talk about is preparation. This is where there's going to be a little bit of pain in order to get the profit. We need to prepare your home for sale. That means making some repairs, doing some deep cleaning, some decluttering, depersonalizing, and staging to get your home ready for the market. So step 2 in the strategy is pricing. We need to strategically price your home to get it sold for the best price. In order to do that, first thing I'm going to do is do an in-depth market analysis of your home, looking at comps. You've heard that term, that is comparable home sales. Those are homes that are similar to yours in size, square footage, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, style of the home, and local neighborhood. We're going to look at the active homes on the market, because that is what your competition would be against. We're going to look at, in both of those cases, we're going to look at listing price, sales price, and cumulative days on the market. How long did it take those homes to go on the market from the day they first were listed until they went under contract? And we can look at that from a broad perspective of the overall real estate market, but we also want to then niche down and look at how other homes that are those comps, those very comparable to your home, how they sold, because $400,000 houses sell at a different rate than $900,000 houses compared to $2 million houses. And we have all of those in our market here. So then we're going to take those numbers, and the idea is to come up with the right price point that is going to provide us with a really attractive number for buyers. We want them to be excited and want them to feel a sense of urgency about your home. So when they come through, they're going to make us an offer. This is how we go about getting multiple offers, and that is the best way to get you the most money for your home. So stage 3 is presentation. How are we going to present your home? We start off by hiring a professional real estate photographer to take high quality photos. We're going to do video. We may do a 3D tour of your home, and we're going to market all of that information out there in the next step, which is promotion. We are going to get your house in front of as many eyeballs as possible, and not just any eyeballs. We are looking for qualified buyers for your home. There are a lot of people out there looking to buy a house, but they are not looking for your home. So we are going to be putting it on all the real estate websites, all the different portals, on the, we're listed on Craigslist, we're listed on Facebook Marketplace. We do a lot of social media marketing. We are going to do a target market to those buyers that are looking for a home like yours. Our goal is to get as many people to see your home and be impressed with the home, come through and tour the home in the shortest amount of time possible to, once again, get those multiple offers and get top dollar for your home. So that's the 4 stages I used for my strategy to get your home sold for the most amount of money in the least amount of time. And I would be happy to share with you the checklist I have for preparation and presentation and promotion with you when we sit down and talk. I hope you found this information helpful. Again, my name is Reid Schwartz. Feel free to reach out and give me a call, and let's have a one-to-one conversation so I can help you move forward with your real estate transaction.